Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Tilari Canal breaks again. Water enters fields in Pedne and Bicholi. Gushing water destroys crops. Farmers devastated once again. State Election Office fails to revise election symbol of RSJP. AAP's broom and RSJP's torch look same. Symbols changed in Delhi but not in Goa. Massive voting in mining belt. Will BJP lead or its silent vote for Congress? Mood in Sangay, Savode, Kurchore tilts towards BJP. Special report. Goods train derails at Ukashi station in Ratnagiri. Konkan railway route closed. Trains to be back on track by Tuesday afternoon. And Goa Athletic Association gears up for National Youth Athletic Championship. India's most promising 500 under-18 boys and girls to display talent at Bambolim. Now the news in detail. The farmers at Pedne and Bicholi are having a tough time. Their crops are getting destroyed. Water has entered their farmland due to leakage in Tilari Canal. Annual crop like red chilies, onions and beans are spoiled. The canal built to facilitate growth of crops has resulted in destruction of the same yield.
This is the situation of farmers at Pedne and Bicholi. Water has entered their farms, spoiling their annual crop. Red chilies, onions and beans, all are damaged. The farmers have blamed it on leakage in Tilari Canal. They claim this has become an annual affair.
आता जवळ 7-8 दीस जाले भुरग्यांक बी घेवन त्रासाने आता उदीक पळय जांगेपर्यंत पावले हा आणि आमच्या पिकाची सगळी नाशाडी जाल्या आमचे पैसे सगळे कुसले आणि आम्ही आता किती करपाचे आमच्या सरकारान किती तरी समजून दिवंक जाय न्हू.
Farmers in Bicholi are suffering the most as the recent cyclone in the area had already damaged their crops and now this water leakage. More than 50 farmers grow harsane, chauri, ladyfinger, onions in these fields.
पाणी भरले काय ते उदीक चढ जाता आणि पानामुळे येता पाळा देती.
जेन्ना नडणी उदीक भरले आनी मागीर जशें नडणी पाल्याली तो जो भितर कितें जे रोप आहा ते पेड्डे जाता पाड जाता म्हणजे ताका सावड जाले काय ते गेले कुसोन आतां तेन्ना सगळें हें जमीन दोस्ता आतां आमी परत उबी केली ही वय आनी ते वाल बिल जे जे लायल्ले ते सगळे खूब मोडून रोप्याचेर पडले रोपो सारको न्हिदलो तो आतां वयर काडून मातसो उबो केला आनी वय आतां आमी बांदल्या परत.
आमी जावन वचोन वॉटर रिसोर्साक सांगलेलें तो आमकां ऑफिसर सांगता आमी बंद करतले उदीक आनी येवन तेणी पळोवंक ना आनी काय लक्ष घालूंक ना एवढे आनी कोणूय येवंक ना एग्रीकल्चर जावंक ना एग्रीकल्चरान गेले जाल्यार ते म्हणटा तुमी तळ्या कडेन चला आनी तेज्या कडल्यान कितें करून हाडा फॉर्मेलिटी. जर आमी फॉर्मेलिटी करपाक गेले जाल्यार आमकां थंय जवळ जवळ एफिडेविट मारप म्हणटात आनी कितें हेका टायप कर म्हणटात तेन्ना आमकां एक जो 200 खर्च जाता आनी येताना आमकां तेंचो इन्कम येताना येता 200 रुपया दितात ते लुकसाण भरपाई.
Issue of bad construction of Tilari Canal was also raised in assembly on number of occasions. However, no action has been initiated to rectify the same. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured to conduct inspection of the canal, but these farmers are still paying the price for government's delay. Reporter Chandrasekhar Sawant and Uday Parab for Prudent.
Election Commission of India had directed State Election Commission to replace or revise Aam Aadmi Party's broom and Rashtriya Samajwadi Janata Party's torch symbol on electronic voting machines. But State Electoral Officer did not obey the order and went ahead with the torch, which looked like AAP's broom. State Electoral Officer claimed that they received orders from Delhi late, but Delhi implemented the order within 7 days. Goa couldn't do it in spite of having 4 more days than Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party's broom and Rashtriya Samajwadi Janata Party's torch resembled each other on the electronic voting machines. This resemblance troubled AAP. Both symbols were one after the other. Election Commission of India had directed all the states to replace or revise RJSP's lightning torch with switched off torch in order to avoid its resemblance with broom. This directive was issued on 3rd April.
The amendments were carried out immediately for Lok Sabha poll in Delhi. But State Election Commission in Goa did not bother to amend it in spite of having 8 days in hand. There are 11,763 polling booths in Delhi. The symbol was revised on all these machines. But in Goa, State Election Commission could not revise it on only 1,624 polling machines. Narayan Nauti clarified, saying it was too late for them to make such an amendment as EVMs were already sealed.
The Commission apply order dated 3rd April 2014. त्याच ताणी तो मॉडिफाय करून ताचे रेसेक्शन ते काढून उडयले आनी केले. बिटवीन 30th to 3rd इतले भितर आमी बॅलट पेपर प्रिंट केले आशिल्ले. सो 3 तारखेचे जे नोटिफिकेशन आमकां 4 तारखेक मेळ्ळा ते आमी हातून इम्प्लिमेंट करूंक शकूंक ना. पण आपाचे जे रिप्रेझेंटेशन आसा ते इलेक्शना दिसा म्हणजे 12 तारखेक जालें. म्हणजे 12 तारखेक आमी ताका कांय इफेक्ट दिवंक शकना. समजा हे पयलीं 3 तारखेक किंवा 4 तारखेक जर आयिल्लें जाल्यार कितें तरी ताचें अरेंजमेंट करपाक जातालो, कारण 5 तारखेक आमी ईव्हीएम सगळी सील केल्ली.
Aam Aadmi Party claimed that Rashtriya Samajwadi Janata Party's symbol torch created confusion amongst voters. AAP is very upset with State Electoral Officer for showing laxity in making the changes. AAP questions how come party symbol on EVMs were rectified for Lok Sabha poll in Delhi and not in Goa.
Delhi went for parliamentary Lok Sabha elections 2 days ago. On those EVM machines, the correct symbol was posted. So we see no reason why, when the Goa election machinery had 2 more days, why it could not replace the symbol.
Meanwhile, RJSP's candidate Raju D'Souza has opted to keep mum on this hullabaloo. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
With the hope of special package for mining dependents, BJP might take lead in the mining belt. This is the feeling of voters from mining belt in South Goa. This time, mining belt has recorded over 80% voting. It is hard to predict a voter's definite mood, but Sange, Sawadde, Kurchore, except Kepe, seem inclined towards BJP. Here's a report.
आमकां इथे वोटिंग जाला त्या प्रमाणे सगळे मायनिंग बंद आहा, सगळे धंदो बंद आहा, ट्रक बी सगळे बंद आहा. तेन्ना सगळे भुरगे आतां बेकार आहा. त्या खातीर सगळे फुडें सरल्या आनी 80% हे फाटी सांग्यार इलेक्शन जालें. हे फाटी दोनी सरकार आमगे BJP आहा गोंयांत, तेन्ना वयर BJP सरकार येतलो. ह्या नात्यान लोकांनी बरें वोटिंग केलें.
एक दीस पयलीं जे मातशी 2 पक्षां मदीं हें जालें तेका लागून काँग्रेसी पक्षाक तेजेर सिंपती वोट खूब मेळटले अशें तरी पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें लोकां मदीं. काँग्रेसी वाटेन लोकांनी भरपूर मतदान केलें अशें.
केप्यां तुमी काँग्रेसी वोटिंग चड जालें अशें म्हणटात.
काँग्रेसी लोकां मायनिंगा इश्यूचेर लागून लोकांनी भरपूर काँग्रेसी वोटिंग केलां.
की जे बारीक लोकांक हे सरकारान जे योजना दिल्या ताचे खातीर लोक सामके खूश आहा. लोकांच्या खबर आहा की आज नाल्यार फाल्यां मायनींग चालू जातलें आनी ते मायनिंगाचो कोणेच कांयच ताचेर हें करूना. सगळ्यांनी गेला की BJP सरकार येवपाक जाय.
मायनिंग बेल्टाक प्रचंड प्रमाणे लोक भायर सरल्या वोटिंग करपा लागून. लोकांक एक मनाक एक हें आसलेलें की तें गोंयांक जें सरकार BJPचें आसा आनी तेंच सरकार सेंटराक जर हाडलें जाल्यार आमचें मायनिंग बेगीन जातलें. हेका लागून लोक प्रचंड प्रमाणांत भायर सरल्या. आतां एक 2 वर्सां आमी तें पळयलेलें परिस्थिती पळयली. सेंटराक काँग्रेस आनी गोंयांत BJP आसलेलें ते प्रमाणे सेंटराच्यान कांयच हांगा हेल्प जालो नासलो. म्हणूनच एक लोकांक दिसलें की तें हें सेंटराक येवपाक जाय म्हणून.
कितें आसा धंदो तरी कांय ना. बिजनेस आमी सामके आतां 2-2.5 वर्स जाले आतां सामके रस्त्यार येयल्या आनी कितें करतले कांय समजना. ना आतां आमकां तर दिसता BJPक वोटिंग जाल्या चडशे. आतां कितें आसा आमकां ते मुखार ते बरें जावपाचें जाय न्हू. पूण कितें करतले आतां ते सामके ते त्रासान पडल्या आमी.
BJP सरकारान लाडली लक्ष्मी तशें गृह आधार स्कीम तशेंच सिनियर सिटीजन 1000चे 2000 स्किमी पावयलेली आसा. आनीक मायनिंगेचे इफेक्ट आसले कारणान लोकांक दिसता की BJP सरकार येवन कितें तरी हें करतलें अशें म्हणून लोकांक दिसता. म्हणून म्हाका दिसता अशें की लोकांनी चडान चड BJP सरकाराक वोट केल्ली आसा.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.